Slow down on Monday, not a sound. On Wednesday, might get loud. On Friday, Saturday, 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 we paint the town. Dancing shoes feel so good, 'cause on my dancing shoes paint the town. On Saturday, 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 we paint the town. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Saturday by 21 Pilots. Alright, so we're gonna play this for the beginner player, the advanced player, and the intermediate. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 1. And the chords that we're gonna be playing are as follows. So these are your chords for the verse. You have C, alright, to E minor. And C is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then we go to E minor, which is open, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. So you have na 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 na. The first time that's C to E minor, the second C, E minor, and then the third time, and then E minor, and then the fourth time is where we have a twist. We have A minor, and A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. We have A minor G, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. This is an A6, which initially is 2 open, 2, 2, 2, 2, but you can play it in place of D and just play it as 2 open, open, 2, which is what I'm playing now. So you have A minor G, that D, and then E minor, and then you cycle back to D, right? Or you can play D up here like I'm doing, which is basically C but cycles to frets 3 to 5 to become open, 5, 4, open, 3, open, right? It's basically C, D. So you have but on Saturday, 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 right? That's A minor, G, D, E minor, D, okay? Right, so that's for your beginner player. You're gonna be strumming na na. So we have C, D, to E minor. The second time, third time, and then we have that A minor, G, D, E minor, D. Okay, so my strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. All right, and on that E, right, the intermediate or the advanced player wants to play that on fret number relative to the capo. This is fret number 7, okay? So you want to play an A minor shape. I don't know the name of the chord, but I bet it's an E minor also, right? Because you have that funky lead that's going on in the background that's just going. So get down, get down on a Sunday. So you have that C, and then you play that E minor, and then you come back to the normal E minor, and then you have C again. So that's what you're going to be playing for the advanced and the intermediate, or you can actually decide to pluck the strings, right? So okay, so that's it for your verse, guys. And then for your that's it for your chorus. I mean, for the verse we're playing. So that's A minor to G, D, E minor, D. Okay, so A minor, in this case, 2 open, open, 2, 3, 2. Right, so have A minor to G, and then D, E minor, D. So that last part is D, E minor, D. So A minor, G, and then D, E minor, D, okay? And my strumming pattern is still the same: down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Sorry. Right, so that's it for your verses. Let me just play along. I'm playing the song so that I know I'm giving you guys the right chords. Catch me floating circles in my fishbowl. Things fresh to say. I exaggerate. Okay, so right before the chorus, that I exaggerate the life we used to know. Oh, it's not an actual, it's not your usual D, it's a, this is a B minor 7, okay? It's basically A minor in frets 3 and 4, and then you bar the second fret, right? And it can be played as open, 2, open, 2, 3, open for the beginner player, right? If you're advanced or intermediate, you want to play the bar chord, which is X2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Right? And then you get into the slow down. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this song. There is no bridge where the chords or the progression changes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I wish someone had requested the Shy Away song when it came out, but now it's already 2 weeks old and there's a ton of tutorials on that, but it's also a good one to learn. I think just go and learn that one. I guess the whole album is going to be pretty cool to play on guitar, so we look forward to that. Otherwise, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.